What's the meaning of antisocial? Antisocial. 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 Antisocial.
The term antisocial refers to a behavior or attitude that goes against the norms of society. An individual who is labeled as antisocial typically displays traits such as disregard for the rights of others, lack of remorse for their actions, and an inclination towards violence or substance abuse. They may also exhibit a persistent pattern of rule-breaking and criminal activity. Being antisocial can lead to social isolation, difficulty forming close relationships, and legal problems. It is often associated with mental health disorders such as sociopathy or psychopathy.